Okay, FM 101.7.
Mamenko Yera Hobson Adoye. Na wayemra se be obi a opem ra se bedwa akonya. A enchenso obenya. Ewo kpon katamanso. Waye ex contem law. Na ono no MPP hu donti no efia ya menenu mi enu wo kanu akadi gay ya wako bi Yesu kunu God. Hopsi wa maso na yene ne njenje nkomo. Bra hopsi me moachi.
Me Yesu winia.
Na boko de.
Nyankopo de aten.
Na program media baby edi nipa akọ edi bi akọ abrochire. Ama bi abaye doctor. Ebi abaye minister. Ebi abaye president. Ya chi bi Supreme Court. Ya di bi atum. Hey! Emre go na
wonu mi say that day no man kasa nkan nkofo bebre wuwu o Ghana o
that day e wa ha no ye Ghana decide me no mienu
o ze gabiasumi be kasa day before
aye
na e bi do 200
wow
no wintimi me kasa ye na fe at Siaba 120.
Wow. Hey, na me kai se sabre no justice atuguba hwe ni misa wase. So you are the one who formed the Young Elephants. Then you've committed young contempt. Wow.
What's that day no me no na yem pemi o. Atuguba na yem no pemi o. Benjamin offer.
Yeah, because who the generation that here no bia sa
o fana no openo
eno ti je eni ma me chini wa fa sin kan
go o bazwa edru mi zo na ve o abre
because edru so no say ya nse dan kan se mboni bia
David yo go David be jira wa ya ka fi ajire me
Emreko yegusu aye somman na yene wankasa wunua ofaya moponka fifa atwetwe nkomo ena ensem de waka bi wase Ghana bibia nkoso na ohene no kora na ansen mampani ekọ bono mampe okan se mampani 2 times no wase na no wanya ade eni ama nko ye wosi yansa man 2 times ena mbisa ne se wase na ye over ambitious na mse obi si argument bi se mampenda da mahama eja merisi wuriye ene wono obedi 6 months no kura mu no so ka sen ko stand general election na ko former president wono ni wadi assemblyman deputy minister MP ni bibia nki ka sata no wan stand kura ko former president no stand ye no sa wen ye eti technically no afuna na ye so musaye no wasua mienu enti we no kra no obepe hwa miensa ene yeso obi so ka so no so ye over ambitious no so da bi o eno de first one dey one call for that second time no a eni wo wen ye no ena mo de trosa dane ne masa abe so what it is handsome we are eto say
yo vidase me che mo na machia obi bia what people katamanso machia enya satemwe what they atada ojuno ho like obi ka se bibia nkoso ana Ghana for no mo ho ne ade a me bisa me ho te e pa na atomai what krom ha no the program of Ghana here and program of Ghana NDC opa me mpia fo nyina konko go na se Nigeria na se Ghana se ne be Ghana beko be okay. That is the only problem we have as a nation. Okay? Akufo-Addo obaye chairman one staff under one president from Kwame Nkrumah that wajina platform so aka me ba me say what I am first term what my implementation are doing now. National government. And so Akufo-Addo And someone what kind of major issues are one more promise to Ghanaians to die. Family. It could not come. It could not come. Say, Yamopongo no okay. And now go for that Roma. Kasabe Oguruso, or more admission fee. Odibia, as a swap, purpose for the Abel from the Cocotia. And next, when the phone come back to and you can't meet the fee, and your Papuciano, or whom Matthew, what is that Organa? The Cana Calbeliamo with the Pacutia Mississino, they say Bubutum, and Virginia, over to about tradition to Onomono, like a white to a nigga, which is the Bianco Socana. Let's just say, we are Mahuto. Ah, President Joe Kwemu. Ah, and this is for because what they wish you need to communicate there. What they are having. Okay, the phone straight. Phone straight, what you say brand new phones. Ah, nebo and young collabo. What must say Bibian Coso? What must say Ghana heading? Yeah, you want Bemugano. Yeah, you for guitar that. Me phone back open the guitar. Would you for little from naked? And these are the people who Pierre, what they're trying to dressing. The Bibian Coso, who make my dress there. Pame Bibian Coso. You're watching. You're that's also unconform more Catano. Look at Panya Mofato and dressing. To tell you, say, what so many other people Yama ego so. Say, yes, baby, I can forecast him. You almost say, and you pa and kata. When the boss was who say, I did me. And then maybe I need a canoe. Because you for you give me for club for staff for yeah, advert for Mustate Hono. What is a will be Ababe advert with that particular. So, be a maybe that. And so, the Poba Biamu, a bit is auto. And at the Panetono, a Kufado, and then Napan, minimum say, why you more fast so? Ah, yes, to Toniamano, remember could be. Now, Ubi Oka same Bitreno, sir, in the history of Ghana, certain president Jenny Holuma yet beaten with this wide margin of 1.5 billion votes.
Menya sure cross the world over. Say incumbent no ye beat to bisa so be nim bisa pa cho mame eyi sa.
Every see that. Don't mahama pe. The record second. And I said this I will. I say Akufo do tima big kilo. Say we are making MB before or mutie 2016 Larry B. War Tankasila I heard them. Now, Akufo, I was our program. I say, Ada, and 24 to be that is a bromo friend me, Casano. Me can say, my king all over Ghana. But Pierre could be the demeanor of the people, or more attitude towards the or more responsibility that can one. So, you 2016. Now, Akufo-Addo ABT Mahama less than 1.5 million voters as it is him. With him, Akufo-Addo Chemu, hey, think I was so man.
Wow,
I'm telling you, but MPPDP TPA, our post our program national or better testify to this. Yet to have a new because what I'm saying, what I don't have to say, I'm a guy, and what you got it right. You have beaten 1.5 million votes. And who go aggression we say me back Ghana for better to ababa me.
I know the almost say Eniama would win mobile in Bassa free senior high no combat progressive Mwababa and Bassa say acquiring Coso Nipa Nyadman near the identity or Banna baby or Jan on any community day senior high no would Jawa Munye and what be eating in a we are not fay John Mutini now the Mwadiamamu no call as
community day school no whatever anything. What the community day school that depends me or better no school. MPP Emma by Muno. Now every year, yes, as a 4 woman to me and school over 100,000. over 100,000 in there as a bit 1 year canoe. Yes, a crash sports stadium, a bomb my bear and 9 as a doom. Sadi Padina in Yapan Enco School. Or one Yapan Enco School, office at Pierre de Biscuit. After Kubobone, ever bed in Wapamu. Who wants a I was a more who can go from over Perfield and no more yes added. Not and no ever. Who wants to be a walk of no king? And yes, I say what the walk of the frog, but why not when you're out of school? When you're going to school, I won't go to frog. Eti akufado pressure e mo fe go gada gina be ko school e gada mu die say kwame we dey ye kan secondary school na kaka university rubewuram a utiyeje e bia get fan scholarship kata the scholarship secretary to so wo hono kaka GMPC 48 e wo ho MPs omo common fund omo de boaboa e wo hono aside that of foreign scholarships wojire wo ho a obetimanya bi na wo diako enti kaka yemma ye ho 10 years 20 years wo bo sa fe Ghana kete majority of Ghanaians no na wo manya enhumasua adimdie no ebeden ebekosoro enti bi pa no se Ghana wo dia esanse wa ko school na obetima kan esi adintu no obetima dani ani ama innovations bi aba ni kwetielu ama ni akọ se wo dey on kan say ake especially ukokumati a e pan so odum amanfo de bi ohodum a omo ye choba ni ade wa wo dey no amanfo tina ho di omo deska every day but utu hodum a utimu se senka nimdie wo ho eka obeye innovations katra ake so betima transform place na sika ebeba hono eye more than ye would not say no so that you know eti egufado ene MVP abadia ye ni mu say ni tie bia no wo mo pete Ghana no mo pete ni message o mama o kosoro bafom for better way sa elections yi well ni tie dey break don go be beating this time so that you know eti ye wo arehemu wo hono ye pe obi a wo ye over ambitious utuma usa mahama ho akwakofa wan obi a meti akra ye say wadi unit committee da wadi assembly minder baba be MP oba MP ya your deputy minister at the point baba your substantive minister baba be vice president what it baba be president say don't be sana semi was it dem pa hama aja no Ojubi house ni wecha wo hono onka say don't back of Fadia Breno. That's what my Ghana for Asumun Benjuon. The founder of NDC. So, what can I say here? What if Bahama is not fighting for 2020 or 2024? They do. Yamoko Pongana didn't say, when him, say 2020 or Mubelu, when him. As you said that, politics, or better than any work it can be. Now, come say a whole former president. I will want him there. One kasa what children want what the vice president for almost a year, I can't say 8 years. We find 7.5 years. Not 7.5 years, you know. One kasa be two say you are the luckiest vice president in the whole world because we president Bibiama was saying. And now running some bogus economy in this country. When you national security briefings any other. And then what Mama Bekra no to say MPP Trinita was the it's a disgrace. A disgrace, man. Say what them say training of Asukare you know you can't say military Ghana Armed Forces for a year. Now, young Congo training in Crawford was instituted by NDC. Ajo Mahama and I need anymore. When you talk about national security, the SWAT team, SWAT unit, or what you want, are your far operatives Emma Omuko, Eko Yaguma, and Wabonte, Koko, your precious in the Kakahono. So them say NDC established here. The year 2010. And that Bevrolati. MPP Konyaso 8 years under JA4 near what national security, but near this the SWAT unit your war operatives are send here now you who say FPNO ne edu hota NDC4 and the bit here. Me to bomb back on there. But who Jimmy?
Me too, pa. But any bomb no.
As I was so West Wogo. You call your almost one now. National security for I say, I didn't get a NDC for Frankly, from which are over 300 operatives. That was national security.
Mobia. Mebajo, Mokoyen. Na NDC for Nipa, or make Jaw. Operatives na
other officers the grand come.
Wow. Send you a Ghana for.
Yes, only a Ghana for make us a operatives over 300 ya people. There go for free abamu operatives are there wo do mahama mo epamu obunyina.
Wa mo ba ye no eye 2009. Mampani me osmo no. Ombe pamu
Uko kugula edda ho. Won se na omuno omo twe ebi yes okoko tene ade nyina. Eye publicly omo pamu operatives nyina. Aye fa omo under MPP. Nipa ba ko kranka ho. I don't want to be specific. Come up with Bobo in Pennyphobia or Mobody guys near the idea. What office our national security. Yeah. You who are more clear. So, Muni. As so, as you can be running. There's 300 operatives, you know. One call, I was so go. I call operatives. I will hold them. What many did you go? MPP can nipa ka tell ya fa omo na na mu hu omo ni mu no. The na ya say to ba wi omo ni na na semantic so. MPP na no. Eti wo ba be gra hodom na mo ka sam no wasa na mo pa treting. Sa trade yeah. Ya di na ye di mo say say ufa operatives are enye dey a omuko under training ana me boa na that particular one ya omuko enye national security recruiter or ye training omo where your forestry commission omo nkata omo foreign gas kese omo nam omo kwaje no mu ebo nua ho ban say the beya manfo memubu ye nua emfa nko no omo ana omo wo training. The Namanta is in it. A month for a kunkum sanko for them. That's how they a whole lot of incidents at the city. Then you bought a gas in the bitu, near Bubiku or more, and in the Kanitan. Let's see, then no more call on the Ghana Armed Forces, no more military for the Apple, no more Papa. Anna or what I don't know. You were fully said that. I will walk on them. I didn't. And the young people training. That training, those people are not qualified to use any rifle. But forestry gas, woman, pump accident. Then I say, another one. So, for commission, after the clearance from the BNI National Security, say, woman call for now, or more you. Say, you take a move to my ball, move fine. And then you buy your mobile, you know, what would you have pump action? BNI and the national security, I'm more clearance. And the guys, you know, I'm not going to go through the military training. So they can defend themselves, they will be properly trained so that I'm going to make my boy and mobile. Now, Moko could just come. I saw that for 90 chapter around that too, and then before 20 times, then before 10. In any case, Babe. President Akufo-Addo is the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces.
Yes. Hey, Mabel. Hey, Yanni on the young first said, "Don't get come General Secretary Lisi." Was say, and I'm some penny Commander in Chief of Ghana Armed Forces. No, so you're phoning to me, ye, Nema, and I'll bet me a you boss, Wama. It didn't say you're phoning the bar, I say, you were a yardia yet train will be out, and I saw your phone cry almost through, almost say, Abayasi.
It's your boy, I'm on the next no more,
and also your point.
Maybe next no more, but you know, yes, sir. What you are saying is that, Kwame, you can cross-check from Forestry Commission. Say, almost training for 400 Debbie. So, I'm going to Debbie, almost training will be our own man, and you make an amebo. Then you PPA can be a boy, and I'm a boy. What would train you among for 400? Then you take those pictures. Now, the Babonti, in any case, you can say, a family. Yeah, my employment, I can over 300 operations. What's all me a Ghana for? And I'm a boy.
I am a Ghana for.
I tell you before you're Ghana for.
We are Ghana for.
I don't know, okay. I'm drinking.
There you not a Jobson. One cassette training there, Bonio. We see you don't get your say. And we are one year at Domus Connect. Say, mood training almost said moody best snatch ballot box, but bunker 4 Aya Basa bathroom. A whole more point, you know.
Okay. The moment NDC for Brazil should be fair. As you say, me the common. That point in our region, you put my idea call.
Which them say?
So, we don't want to say, what move up a tip on Nipia. No more Babonti, no more about can't put the opponent. So, who wants to now, a dinner for opponent is near Jamuna, may say, you did the call most one gata. Mammy Mao, typical example, I also was so. Who say, what would you can see red flag? And I say, no one more black or more for your mama. Now, we are telling them, say, we are on council. Then she come on more 20 cups or one renting. Now, after or more, I distribute to them after more starting or more, and say, one more person would do. Take off no a delay. It's what would do one. What would tell one not because of no. We are telling them say the ground. Now, what do I mean go into duties? But yeah, I still don't get here can. Yeah, but my need to much. Because when I catch a pet, Naji or mobile kitchen or mobile behavior ballot box, and come one gasa or mobile furniture. Or mobile furniture and gasa. Because you are I must add, you know, NCPM. Maybe you're true in our democracy. No, you're going to move. Because my witness Belgium elections, my witness Germany elections. Who on one year letter, bro? We are agent move. Nipanuka Wundimuno. Who got a police agent move? I wouldn't know. That's so a young set who got with you. Who called more? Like in Pierre Duho. They can say, official, so we are clear, Nipa trade. So, we will 5 o'clock. Or we point ya agent ring will be a goofy. The past rain, or one time, no one record to Pia. I can't say a major document open to me than it be ever will be that. A also smooth. Let's hear you what kind of happy. Near 2 up to this time. Now, my for ever pick up ballot boxes in their hands. That is, then that's it. But don't want the entry move here. You have to be sure. Set your protected. The sovereignty of people, the will of the people, no, we are going to protect it. Okay. The goofed big time.
Okay. Now,
second deputy speaker of parliament. Don't somebody be dream. Who or cat anyway? I will bet my quick cross check. We are also. Young Jack, then talk on for some say. Now say one more for 3, no more yet.
Wow.
I did here. What we can revise our notes. On the issue of the kind of saying PDF. PDS. Oh, I thought that area. Pass or more, as I said, like Obama man for a no makata wo mani no mu ditro eye ade bia ya papa e na ni se PDS consortium press conference ya ade dum petia e kokoye ade the liabre and the new company Meridian in Ekagika hono Vice President Katemi was saying this before they don't have time to read on any of problem seka omunya time I can kakra enka petty mistakes bi ho no ma omunye Pame on 26 September 2019 26 September yawo wa mante mai oko majwe.com sa ajiwe dina eda hono this a consortium na between Miracle and the old Meridian Power Ventures Limited 100% omudia na omune 30% no the Miracle only 30% is the same as Meridian. Mamima simple example. There were despite groups of a group of companies. Now, despite group of companies, Echo Cooperative BB, no winya. You find say despite group of companies, Echo Parliament, services way Parliament are granted at the amount. It be a more letterhead despite group of companies. Adamatro. Now, there is another time if you ever say BB, then you fact OK FM letterhead near the track. No, because we have a bishop on chance here because OK FM a company for fra ever be take over from despite group of company. Now we chat here Yana. Take it. Video Bami. Hello?
Meet you, pa. Meet you.
Me pacho, example am be my mathematics.
I'm at here.
Despite group of companies, Echo Cooperative for something. That's the man. That despite group of companies, if I was a letter. Now, instead of the offer despite group of companies letter, no one fair one to maybe I have OK FM letterhead. Now the truck. No, because I want just here OK FM. And your company be free baby. Ever beg despite group of company PBA. What are they? Because despite a group of companies, you know, OK FM can, Peace FM can, Beat FM can, Hello can. If you will use any of these groups, letterhead and the trophy there, I don't know if you do company. Simple as you say, I say don't get your anti here. I say, who called record to one? Instead, Meridian is 100% all by Miracle. 30%. Angola Basem, I see. That is also 19%. What about the three Ghanaian firms? I have TJ Energy Solution, 18%. What about GTS Engineering Ghana Limited? It's 10%. Then TBT Ghana Limited, that is also 10%. Yes, sir. The problem is initially, I just said, I can't say guarantee or modeba. You say, Yamano and see Anna Abayankasa. I don't get NDC for under Waka Wasem. And that's opposition, they be under Waka Wasem. Abayankasa who say no, guarantee never no, the question must be wrong. So let us do this. That's it. PDS, they are suspending way. Now, what's suspending? No, it's a PDS. Everything about UCG now is the name of PDS. Oko bank account, PDS. Offices, the deal with Rubia, PDS, the ball, PDS, the money, the Juma, and the account. So, how are we going to get energy? You have any light? Any other? And see, applying at the investigation or to do finally, no, applying part outside, you deny able to put the position of applying.
I see.
That would be America. No, I'm going to take it away. The boom when you say, and yet,
Mate.
And your politics, you know, near Soria, better say, in some way, the grandpa, near Babetta.
Okay.
And even I am one or I saw with 2020, 1 to 9. 1 to 9.
I see.
And you so, I say, Gabin Oboko, you so, MC no there and 2020 as well.
I see.
One years our referendum no.
Mate.
Now for 2021 what you contest TV.
Yo.
The akete wo benya na se wonya.
Mate. And yeah, mama so many what you say.
The American nyina say. December 17th I kwakoto referendum no. Ke maybe I say president ya man too much power. Power the man no e do so do ye be free no so. President ankasa free na kuma mu abate the person be power to be free me so this is a me appoint omo no say be person mu ankasa na mo fa mo ade mo to abate me assembly elected mo na mo choose mo assembly man no the person mo choose that day obi answer kwan wadwuma mu no one bra bonten no meto aba no oba beto ato yes 2 years ni ntimi amend the constitution no na fe this year se me mediti ho se me kokoti this year me kokoti na ho se amanfo nye den empo abama me ye to ba me anu aba beti e do no kokoye president asemu biom na president go beti a we se me mpe we bon se bia be a ye wo two traditional areas we started to one free me side we so started to one free me side ye ndi started ni na fi ho na ya nkasa ye ntusu e te be se ga na fo nyina obi bia wo tie ye nsa bia no December 17th, I saw Kwabonti now for 2 years. Need to be changing constitution.
Meda said, na a me list ya me wo wahano. Ya dia wo Ponkatamanso. Wo na obey the next MP wo ho. Ena fei. Ai. Ena George Anda. Deputy Communication Minister. Wutu senya I think ni ho Western East.
I'm the West.
West. Also George Anda who's on a retire Hanatete no.
Yeah.
It's also George Anda Neko. And you oh wow, sir. Edi Obia Tiamia Honorable George Anda and Pesuaswan, the Paco and how my primaries. Now Usika na Abaseno, Papano or Badjuma, and the Hobson so. Niame bra onso pon katamanso oko eti ya monko Muhammad na
what is that Misha ye city MP Nilai.
Oh, what you know?
Misha na me say Lion, you are going to hand over to me. What do yes, aside politics, a guy no or ye lover boy.
Oh, okay.
One term. Oh, found so young people and I saw you DC.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Yawa. Now, who brought here? Any idea? And funny. Me, don't wow.
Oh, wow.
Me, go catch a master for 12 Mamia. A common name people for common name for. And I said, since they won't go beam now over the year ex MP. No, that is the consort to know. For certain things I will do, I will give him the maximum respect. Nila will be a mental radio so and Catantiana.
Yeah.
Meaning na temuda. I know him tell me who at the man. Every 2020. NDC for Pokatawasu in a month about me as your member of parliament. Na said Nana or Shabono, Sapper and Miss Meshabo, make them before NDC for I should be Biara or Hodo. Have a Biara day at the turn up Mutama. Eti, Nila idea, Makacha Nano. Nakupo Yadom, 7th January. Yeah, yes, sorry, in a or no national of the Shabby. Na my muscle at the actual Meda
Siano, Payano, watch Yamina Baswamami. Empress, Miss Medasipa. Ora Hobson, Adoye, one of the producers of OKFM, Adiachi Bia, you show you, what producers and all. The producers, young one, you what 3.7 million producers.
OKFM 101.7.